This is my massive fall thrift store haul. Boy, did we find a lot of things at the thrift store this week. I feel like we scored huge. We found clothes, we found house decor, we found kitchen items. You guys are in for a treat. Our local thrift store was actually having 50% off store-wide, plus they were trying to get rid of all of their summer clothes and they had fill a bag for $5. So let me show you what we got. First off is this cute little dress right here, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect for some of our fall videos. I love the fabric, it is super beautiful. It is sleeveless, but I am gonna be putting a cardigan with. Next, I got this fall shirt, and I thought it was so nice. I did get it a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I actually like things a little bit oversized. It is super light and soft. I found this beautiful blue dress. I did try this on, so as you can see right here, look how cute this is. It looks so great for my spring videos. I also got this black shirt because you can never go wrong with having an extra black shirt in your closet, and it was just really soft. Next, I saw this long skirt, and I love the print right here. It's very vibrant and so colorful. I thought it'd be nice to maybe pair it with a solid color shirt. It's just nice and cozy. I'm really enjoying the dresses and the skirts right now. They're just so comfortable. This was another shirt that I found. I also found this shirt right here, and the details, it looks like these are flowers, but I'm not exactly sure what exactly is on here. Very nice and light. I found a white shirt. Can't go wrong with an extra white shirt, of course. Got this tank top shirt, and I thought it was pretty for fall, and it would be great to wear underneath and for layering. I think this was absolutely probably one of my favorite dresses that they had here. It just really is. As you can see, it looks so nice, and I also paired it with the hat that we found, and this is like a felt hat, and it has a little feather right here, and it just complements the dress. I'm excited to wear this out. Maybe if we go out to eat. We have this beautiful Tex-Mex restaurant that we like to go to. It's outside, and with the fall season coming up, this is gonna be so cute. Everybody always gets dressed up when we go to this restaurant. I'm excited to have some cute outfits. I also picked up a couple more shirts here, and they were just some plain shirt. This was a hat that we found. I love it. It is so unique. And again, it just dresses up your outfit, and it just makes it a little bit more. So that was all of the clothes that we got, and I got all of those for $5. We headed over to the decor area. I found these cute pumpkins, and I think these are gonna be so perfect, like in my kitchen. They're just small enough. They're gonna look really cute next to, look at these little mushrooms. These mushrooms are so in. I am seeing mushrooms everywhere this year. I was really surprised that I found them. I actually found two. These are going in my kitchen. This was a candlestick. I love the color and the details in this. I'm gonna be putting a battery operated LED candle on top. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but I will definitely find a spot. The color was just beautiful, and it really just matches my house. I was looking for some other fall decor, and I couldn't believe that I found this. Look at this vase. Now, I was gonna put some fake flowers in it, but I'm thinking that I'm just gonna leave it like this, and it's probably gonna go somewhere over by my fireplace, but it's got the solid, and then it has this chevron pattern on it, and it is quite large. I would say it's about, probably 14 inches. My daughter found this vase that she loved, and she also got all of these flowers there. She went through all the dried and faux flowers that they had, and she put this all together, and I thought she did such a great job. She's gonna be putting this in her bedroom for fall. We did find this little vase, and I thought this would look really nice in the kitchen because it is small, and we also got a ton of other dried flowers that we liked, and not sure what we're gonna do with them yet, where we're gonna put them, but we like the colors, so we went ahead and got them. We're gonna probably put some of the smaller flowers in here. I think that's gonna be really nice addition to our fall collection. My daughter found this nice new canvas bag. It has a zipper, and it also zips up, and it's really big. So this is gonna be kind of like her crafting. If we're traveling, she'll be able to take this with her as well. Very nice bag. I was so excited to find this next piece. I love this piece so much. You can put a little candlestick on here, and I I just absolutely love this. I can't wait to put this on my wall. I've already know exactly where it's gonna go, and it just is so neat. My daughter found this like burnt orange yarn for her crochet projects. Look at this jar that I found. It has some gold and it is white, and then I found all of this floral at the thrift store as well. So I put this all together just to make sure it would look so good. I'm excited to add this to my house. It has such good earthy elements. These leaves are kind of iridescent. I found these two candle holders. Now I'm probably going to repaint these, but even at this color right now, it is still gonna work in my house. Get some candles and I'll probably put this on my table for my tablescape. I was looking for a little lamp for my kitchen. There's one area that I've been wanting just to put a little bit of light there, and I found this. I love it. Now I do need to find a shade that goes under here, and I believe because of the shape that this is, it needs to be a glass shade. So I'm gonna probably have to go and find one there. And they had some unique little light bulbs, and which I had never seen one like this before. I found this shelf, and I think I might put this in my kitchen, maybe over my stove, and store some spices on it. If not, maybe in our little bathroom. I found these nice woven placemats. These are so gorgeous. I love the green. I think the green's gonna be good for fall. And not only that, they also came with a couple little napkins. And I thought, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. I'm probably not gonna use that for my setup. They also had orange ones. They are that same soft quilted placemats. I really like these because you can put them in the washer and wash them. Some placemats you can't do that, or you have to wipe them off, but I love the ones that you can just throw in the washer. It just makes life so much easier. So that was my huge, massive fall thrift store haul. We spent only $44 on all of these items. It was such a great time shopping there. I love shopping secondhand. You never know what you're gonna find. You can find some really unique items. That's what's fun about thrift store shopping, bringing those items to your house, because your house is going to be so unique to you and your style versus what everybody else has in their home, which is still beautiful, but sometimes you just want something a little bit different. And that's what I love about thrift store shopping. Let me know down below what unique finds you have found in your thrift store. Thank you.